ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறது ஆஃப்இயர்லி எக்ஸாமினேஷன் 2023 எயித்து ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸ் கொஷின் பேப்பரோட ஒன் வேர்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், electric current is a dash quantity. Answer A, base. Second question, if the focal length of a spherical mirror is 10 centimeter, what is the value of its radius of curvature? Answer C, 20 centimeter. Third question, find the odd one out. Answer D, violin. Fourth question, the non-metal with conducts electric current is? Answer A, carbon. Fifth question, aerated water contains? Answer C, carbon dioxide. Sixth question, water changes to ice at? Answer A, 0 degree Celsius. Seventh question, dash is a prokaryotic microorganism. Answer D, bacteria. Eighth question, osmosis is the movement of water molecules from dash higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. Ninth question, Adam's apple is the growth of the dash lawns. 10th question, red ant sting contains? Answer D, formic acid. Next, fill in the blanks. 11th question, pressure of a liquid column dash with the depth of the column. Answer increase. 12th question, nature of the images formed by a convex mirror is dash. Answer smaller, virtual and erect. 13th question, dash is defined as a amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Answer calorie. 14th question, 3 bulbs are connected end to end from the battery. This connection is called series connection. 15th question, iron object undergo rusting when exposed to dash and dash. Answer water and oxygen. 16th question, dash is the smallest particle of an element, atom. 17th question, turmeric is used as a dash. Answer natural indicator. 18th question, radicle venation is present in dash plants, bicot plants. 19th question, the largest cell is egg of an dash, ostrich. 20th question, dash muscle makes pupil of eyes wider. Answer radial. அடுத்தது true or false. Next, true or false. 21st question, quartz clocks are used in GPS devices. False. 22 question, force acting on a given area is called pressure. True. 23rd question, convection is the process by which the thermal energy follows in solids. True. 24th question. Water can conduct electricity. True. 25th question. Formation of slacked lime from quick lime is an endothermic reaction. Answer false. 26th question. Seawater is suitable for irrigation as it contains dissolved salts. Answer false. 27th question. Acids are bitter in taste. Answer false. 28th question. Chickenpox is a communicable disease. Answer true. 29th question. Penis is a closed seeded plant. Answer true. 30th question. Human beings are warm blooded in nature. Answer true. Next, match the following. 31. Ultrasonics. Answer frequency more than 20,000 Hz. 32. Speed of sound in air. 330 microseconds per minus 1. 33. Infrasonics. Answer frequency below 20 Hz. 34. Atom. Smallest unit of substance. 35th question. Element. Atoms of same kind. 36 questions. Compound. Answer atoms of different kinds. 37th question. Carbohydrates. Glucose. 38th question. Protein. Answer amino acid. 39th question. Amino acids. Answer enzyme, hormone, protein. 40th question. Fatty acids. Answer cholesterol and other steroid. Thank you friends.
உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சின்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். நம்ம சேனலை ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறவங்க டவுன் டு வில்லேஜ் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்படியே பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானையும் தட்டி விட்டுருங்க.